What's up guys, in this tutorial I will show you how to save and view favorites in Roblox on your PC. This should be quite an easy tutorial. For more information, click on the first link in the description below. While browsing Roblox experiences or the avatar shop, you will see an option to favorite the accessory, place, audio, clothing and everything else. For places, simply click on the star icon to favorite the experience. For wearables, you can also see the star icon below the preview on the left-hand side. Next, navigate to your Roblox profile. Scroll down and you will find the favorites section. When clicking on favorites, you can preview all of the items you saved in each category. You can remove items from this list by selecting it and clicking on the star icon again to remove it from your favorites. In case you have any further issues or problems following this tutorial, then I suggest following my extensive guide linked in the description below. I hope this helped you out. Leave a comment if you have any questions and see you in the next one.